Long ago, under endless skies, the First Nations danced with ancient ties. Around the fire, stories were told, cornfields shining bright as gold. Eat your corn, it will make you strong. A gift from the earth, a lifelong song. With beans and squash, the sisters three, they nourish us in harmony. Golden corn, the taste of land. Beans grow tall, a helping hand. Sweet squash, warm like the sun. Ancient strength in everyone. Crossed the sea, ships carried dreams and destiny. They learned, they shared, they made it new. A nation's feast was born and grew. In every plate, a piece of the past, from old traditions built to last. Flavors blend, run deep, a melting pot where stories meet. Golden corn, the taste of land. Beans grow tall, a helping hand. Sweet squash, warm like the sun. Ancient strength in everyone. From powwow stew to cowboy chili, from cornbread meals to Midwest history. Every bite sings of the past. Every bowl makes the moment last. Eat your corn, hear the wind blow. It whispers songs from long ago. Remember well, season to season, the three sisters give us reason.